Tiny tots with big coughs? Don't panic, we're here. In the world of runny noses and restless nights, every parent asks, is it a simple cold or something more? When congestion reigns and sneezes echo, Monarch Medicine is your family's trusted guide in navigating the common cold versus RSV. Spot the difference. RSV often brings fever, wheezing, and labored breathing. Quick identification is crucial. With no appointments needed, Monarch Medicine promises rapid, expert care. Most visits under 20 minutes. Remember, for peace of mind and fast relief, Monarch Medicine is Carmel's choice. Visit us today and let's help your child breathe easy.